friend, how are you? Today I'm going to show you our dinner on the fire, one of our camping trips that we go with the small groups, adventure groups, and we just made Mirza Qasemi. It's local food. It's somehow like cuisine, yeah, local food. Yes, for per person, you need one eggplant and one tomato. You just barbecued on the fire. After you peeled it, you just chopped with garlic, and then you just put the pot on the fire again, add a little bit oil, and just break the eggs. Yeah, I really like when the eggs is mixed and blended on the in the other things, but my friend didn't do like that. And yeah, it's the kind of Mirza Ghasemi, and it was so delicious. And the tea that made on the fire, it's delicious. And you don't need to put any tea on it, because the water smells the fire. Yeah, it smells the smoke of fire and smoke of the woods. Oh, it's so delicious. And yeah, we used to do this kind of things in our camping group, in our camping programs. And yeah, it's a very enjoyable time.